What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, it's Al here. And in today's video, we're going to be answering the question, why does my Toyota Yaris keep beeping? If your Toyota Yaris has been persistently beeping, you're likely feeling a mix of confusion and frustration. A beeping car is trying to tell you something, but figuring out what exactly that is can be tricky. Whether it's an easy fix like fastening your seatbelt or something more technical, it's important to understand what the sound means to keep your Yaris running smoothly. In this video, we'll explore the common causes of beeping in a Toyota Yaris, how to troubleshoot them, and what steps you can take to fix the issue. Common reasons for the beeping in your Toyota Yaris. Number 1, seatbelt not fastened. One of the most frequent reasons for beeping in the Toyota Yaris is the seatbelt warning. Your Yaris is equipped with sensors that detect whether or not you or your passengers are buckled up. If the seatbelt isn't fastened properly, or if it comes undone while driving, the car will start beeping until it's securely latched. How do you fix it? Check that all seatbelts are properly fastened, even those in the rear seats, as sometimes these can trigger the warning. If the beeping continues despite all the seatbelts being secure, there may be a fault with the seatbelt sensor that requires a mechanic's attention. 2. Doors or boot not properly closed. Another common cause of the beeping sound is when one of the doors or boot isn't fully closed. Modern cars like the Yaris are designed to alert you when a door is ajar, even slightly. It's a safety feature intended to prevent you from driving with an open door. How do you fix it? Ensure all doors, including the boot, are firmly shut. If the beeping persists, it might be worth checking the door's sensors or consulting a mechanic. 3. Low fuel alert. If your Toyota Yaris is beeping while driving, it could be a warning that your fuel is running low. The Yaris will typically beep when the fuel gauge reaches a certain level to remind you to refuel. How do you fix it? Simply stop by the nearest petrol station and top up your fuel tank. Regularly keeping an eye on your fuel levels can help avoid this reminder beep in the future. 4. Parking sensors or reverse warning. If your Yaris beeps while you're parking or reversing, this is most likely due to the parking sensors or reverse warning system. These systems help you navigate tight spaces by detecting objects around your car and alerting you to their proximity. How do you fix it? This beeping is normal when you're parking, but if it becomes constant or happens when you're not reversing, it might indicate a fault in the sensor system. In this case, a visit to your local dealership may be necessary to recalibrate or repair the sensors. Reason number 5, tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS alert. Your Yaris is fitted with a tire pressure monitoring system that alerts you when the air pressure in one or more tires is too low. This can trigger a beeping sound, especially if there's a significant difference in tire pressure. How do you fix it? Check your tire pressure using a gauge and inflate them to the recommended levels. If the beeping continues after adjusting the tire pressure, it may indicate a fault in the TPMS that requires professional attention. For more information on servicing your vehicle, you can check out our website and you can give us a call. While the above are some of the more common causes of beeping in a Yaris, there are also more advanced and technical reasons that could be at play. Let's take a look at these. Number 1, malfunction in safety systems, ABS, airbags, etc. If the beeping is accompanied by a warning light on the dashboard, it may be alerting you to a malfunction in one of the car's safety systems, such as the anti-lock braking system, ABS, or airbags. These systems are crucial for your safety, so any issues should be addressed immediately. How do you fix it? If a warning light is showing, consult your owner's manual to understand which system is affected. In most cases, you will need to visit a mechanic or Toyota dealership to diagnose and repair the fault. 2. Battery issues. A weak or failing car battery can sometimes trigger unexplained beeping. This is more likely to happen if the beeping occurs when you start the car or when electrical components are used, such as the headlights or radio. How do you fix it? Have your battery tested to determine its condition. If it's nearing the end of its lifespan, replacing the battery should stop the beeping. 3. Low key fob battery. A lesser known cause of beeping could be a low battery in your key fob. Your Yaris uses a keyless entry system, and when the key fob's battery is running low, the car may beep to alert you. How do you fix it? Replace the battery in your key fob. This is usually a simple process that involves opening the key fob and inserting a new battery, which you can purchase at most hardware or electrical stores. 4. custom settings, or aftermarket alarms. If you've made any modifications to your Yaris, such as adding aftermarket alarms or custom settings, these could be the source of unexpected beeping. Some systems may be overly sensitive or improperly configured. How do you fix it? Review the settings of any aftermarket systems and consult the user manuals. If you're unsure, a professional installer can help you adjust the setting to prevent unnecessary beeping. How to troubleshoot and fix the beeping in your Toyota Yaris. If your Yaris is beeping and you can't identify the cause, here's a quick guide to troubleshoot the issue. Check the obvious. Ensure all seatbelts are fastened, doors are fully closed, and fuel levels are sufficient. Look for warning lights. If there's a dashboard warning light, refer to your owner's manual for more information. Test the tires. Verify that your tire pressure is at the recommended level. Inspect the key fob. If the beep seems random, check if your key fob battery needs replacing. Get professional help. If you can't identify the cause or the issue seems more serious, consult a Toyota mechanic or dealership. Frequently asked questions. Beeping issues in a Toyota Yaris. How do I turn off the beeping sound in my Toyota Yaris? The best way to turn off the beeping is to address the cause, such as fastening seatbelts or closing doors. If the beeping persists, a mechanic may need to check for system faults. Is it safe to drive with the beeping sound on? It depends on the cause. If the beeping is due to a low fuel alert or unfastened seatbelts, it's best to fix the issue before driving. If it's a sensor or system malfunction, seek professional help to avoid potential safety risks. Why does my Toyota Yaris beep when I start it? This could be due to a system check, low fuel warning, or an unfastened seatbelt. A beep upon starting is usually normal, but if it continues, investigate further. How do I reset the warning system in my Toyota Yaris? You may need to consult your manual for specific instructions on resetting the warning system, as it can vary by model. In most cases, correcting the issue that triggered the beeping will reset the system automatically. Your Toyota Yaris beeping is its way of getting your attention. Whether it's reminding you to fasten your seatbelt or alerting you to a more serious issue like low tire pressure, it's important to address the cause. By following the tips in this video, you'll be able to troubleshoot and fix the beeping, keeping your car in top condition and ensuring a smoother, quieter ride. Are you looking to buy a new used car? Contact us today and we'll be able to help you. Go to carnights.co.uk and have a great day. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video.